In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $30 an hour just clicking buttons and talking. Yes, you're going to be testing websites, and it doesn't take a high school diploma, a degree in college. All you have to do is be able to speak English, literally talk about what you're seeing, and click a few buttons. It takes no skills and no experience. It's so simple, anybody can do it, and you can do it all from the comfort of your home online. All you have to do is go to www. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. I teach people how to make money online, and I release videos every single week. To make sure you don't miss anything, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you never miss a new opportunity. Yes, you can make up to 30 bucks an hour testing websites. It does not take a degree. It does not take any special skills. Anybody can do this across the world. It is a simple thing that you can do. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a special bonus that'll help you make even more money than what you're going to make testing these websites. So stick around. Now, to do this, you need two things. You need to speak English and you need a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I'll walk you through setting up right now. Okay, in your search bar, you're going to type in paypal.com. Here is PayPal. It's a world-renowned payer. You're going to need an account for them, and it's secure. You can send money effortlessly and pay your way. There's secure payments. It's simple and convenient. You can also earn rewards like the rewards you're going to learn in this video. And it's really trusted across the world. You can see Hulu, eBay, Guess, Spotify, Uber, Levi's, Wayfair, and Wish, just to name a few. If you're interested, you can click this button and search for more vendors. To get started, you're just going to scroll up to the top and click Sign Up. You're going to set up a personal account to shop online and send and receive money without sharing your payment information. Click Next. On this page, you're just going to enter in your phone number and it'll send you a confirmation code, and you can continue to set up your account. If you need it in a different language, they're here, here, and here, and you can select this drop-down arrow to find your country. There's many, many countries in which this is accepted in, so just go through here and click on the country you're from. Once your account is set up, we're gonna go to usertesting.com. This site helps companies test their website in real time. Companies like Capital One, Facebook, Walmart, Expedia, Prudential, eBay, Ancestry all use this site. This is how it works with the vendor. They look for your target audience, they look for engagement, discovery, and then sharing to help increase your actual experience. This is why they're paying big money for this, because users need to have a good experience on a website, and they need to fix things in real time. Here's where you can come in. You're gonna go up to this bar and click Get Paid to Test. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment below from where you're from, what country, so I can make more videos to help you make money online from the comfort of your own home. Back to the video. Here's how it works. You're gonna sign up and join the global community. You're going to take tests and get paid. Earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and even more for interviews. So you do one of these, if you do one of these every 20 minutes, that's $30 an hour. And in some cases, the interviews can be up to $60 an hour. So go here and enter in your email address to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll have all of these available tests that you can sign up for. Some on your phone, some on your tablet, some on a computer with live conversations, and you'll take these screener tests and they can take a few minutes, and some of them can actually pay up to $60. See, this test is approximately 60 minutes and will pay out $60. So enter in this email, and that's it. There's only one problem with this way of making money, and that is time. You're constantly trading money for time. So let me tell you about another opportunity, that bonus I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So I got into this Make Money Online thing to help bring more money in for my family because I wanted to free myself from being stuck to one paycheck to paycheck lifestyle and only having a job. In the past, I was a guitar teacher. I did that for quite some time, teaching people how to play music. I had a lot of fun doing it, but at some point I realized that I just kept trading time for money. And I wanted to grow my family and spend time with them, be closer to home, and then learn how to build assets and not constantly just trade time, constantly booking an appointment and being stuck just trading that time for money. I wanted to spend more time with my family. To do that, I know I needed to develop new skills. I needed to learn how to actually build an asset and build a business that could be automated for me. And I did that through the training that you'll get in the description below. You're gonna learn several different things to actually help you do this and automate systems so you can have that time back, so you don't have to worry about punching in and punching out. If you set this up right, you'll actually have people chasing you, and that's the idea. This training will help you learn copy, how to build websites, how to build funnels. You can be up and running in as little as 15 days. So go down in the description below, click that link, sign up. If you want to learn more strategies on how you can make money online, click the video on the screen right now, and that will give you another option to put more money back in your pocket and help you find the income that you're looking for.